In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate 60-second cinematic videos in Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to open a chat, what to type, and how to send it so you get a polished 1-minute cinematic result. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. This is the home of Grok AI. Let the page fully load so the interface is ready to use. We're starting from a clean slate, so nothing extra is required here. Just make sure you're on the main site and everything is visible before moving on. Next, click on Chat. This opens the conversation window where you'll give Grok your instructions. Think of this space as your director's chair. The quality of your video depends on the clarity of what you write. If you see options or model pickers, the default selection is fine. The key is the prompt you craft. Now, type your prompt. To get a tight 60-second cinematic video, be explicit about length, style, and what the viewer should feel and see. Lead with your intention. Create a 60-second cinematic video. Then specify the theme, setting, and mood, and layer in visual language such as widescreen, dramatic lighting, film grain, slow camera moves, or seamless transitions. A simple three-part structure helps pace the minute: an opening establishing shot, a middle sequence with movement or discovery, and a closing hero shot. If format matters, include the aspect ratio, like 16.9 for horizontal or 9:16 for vertical. If you want a specific audio vibe, describe it briefly, for example, ambient, orchestral underscore, or subtle risers. Keep your wording concise, avoid conflicting directives, and list the must-haves near the top so Grok prioritizes them. You can include a compact shot list in a single paragraph separated by commas to guide composition and pacing without turning it into a script breakdown. Stay strict about duration so the system doesn't exceed 1 minute. Here's an example prompt you can adapt. Create a 60-second cinematic montage set in a coastal city at sunrise, 16.9, warm golden light, slow dolly and drone-style moves, soft film grain, seamless crossfades, ambient orchestral underscore. Structure: 10s establishing skyline, 35 as street-level human moments and textures, 10s hero shot at the pier, 5s fade to black with a simple title card. When your prompt looks right, press enter or click submit. Grok will process your request and generate the video. Give it a moment, especially with rich cinematic detail. That's all there is to it. Go to Grok, open chat, craft a precise 1-minute cinematic prompt, and submit. With a clear direction and a few well-chosen details, you're effectively directing a complete 60-second film.